If you're looking for a workbench that you could simply do anything, modeling, arts and crafts, any type of hobby you have, you'd be very interested in this build and how simple it is to install. And when you're all finished, you simply just grab your stuff and you can single-handedly basically release both sides, fold down, just like that. I hope you enjoy your product. If this is something that you are looking for, let's get right to the build. Show you how it comes packed and everything that you get. Garage areas are tight for space, or if you want a work area that you can have a foldable shelf, this product comes nicely packaged, and here it is. Show you what it's all about, how to hook it up, and what to do with the wood. Let me bring the wood nice and close to you because there are two sides to this wood. It is made of pine, it is not light. The side that's facing the camera has a polyurethane finish, and the side over here is unfinished. You can see how nice and heavy it is in the design of the wood. Got a nice characteristic. So what we're going to do with this 2x4 is hang it up in the area and see how it looks. You get two packages of the brackets, and they are anti-rust, and this is more for indoors and use. You want to make sure you have every single part here. It is black. This is the bracket. It is nice and sturdy, heavy duty, and inside over here is going to be where your hardware is at. So carefully lift up. Pull the hardware out. It's a whole bunch of screws. Everything that you need to get started. When opening up the package, just make sure that you feel for the instructions. Item 28550, folding workbench assembly instructions. Basically, you're going to find a sturdy place, a beam, a stud, where you can hang up. If you're not going into just the plain wood and you're anchoring in, you're going to need mollies and other things. So you get three types of screws, the two brackets, you're going to need a drill, and you're going to hang the things and take your measurements. Find a location where you're going to install yours. This is the bracket. I'm going to lift over here because right here is the mechanism that locks the shelf. So when I lift up, you're going to see it lock into place. So what I'm going to go do now is take my measurements and hang up my first one. I don't want to be too high and I don't want to be too low, but I want it to be where I can work on. This is where you grab a level. And when you put in your next screw, you're going to put it in the bubble. Grab a piece of wood, lay it on top. Take the next bracket and open it up. Put your markings on the wall and measure. Place your piece of wood. Place your level and lock down. And place in all your bolts. Make sure that each of the bracket, by lifting up on the bottom, closes. Making sure the screws are not going to interfere, and readjust. When closing, please be careful not to put your fingers in between. They could go underneath and up and down. Grab the board. Look for the smooth side by feeling. Place on top and center. Make sure they are flush to the bracket. Grab the shortest screws possible. Make sure they don't go through the board. And grab your drill and finish up. When screwing on the pieces, please be very careful not to hit the mechanisms. 1, 2, 3. Right behind the big hole are your areas of interest. Have enough ample place in your screws. Hold and lock down. To screw in. Place in your screws. With the proper mount, you're able to lift a heavy object and place on the table and hold up. This unit can hold up to 550 pounds. It is made of very strong pine wood. It measures 1 inch. It's 2 by 4, depending on the height you need in your confined quarters or large room. You can use this in the garage, in the back room, kitchen, wherever you want. It is a weather-resistant board that will not warp, disform in any shape or form. After you finish doing your work, you take off your supplies. You simply grab the board, both sides, and lay down. The unit does not lock in place but lays down. It is a foldable unit. The unit simply lifts up, one hand locks into place. Due to my demonstration purposes on the wall, that is why you see it shake. You have a nice workbench to do all your work indeed. So I hope you enjoy your workbench. If this is something that you are looking for, very simple, very strong, very sturdy, and you can simply do your hobby without getting interrupted. Enjoy your product if this is right for you. Nice height. Do my work, no problems at all. Just want to make sure that that's locked in correctly. There you go. If it's not locked in correctly, it's not going to fall.